G'day folks, Craig Castree. On the 7th and 8th of November at the Yarra Valley Plant Fair and Expo, I'm going to be running some workshops, one each day, on how to graft multiple varieties onto your tree, extending their picking times, a bit like this one in the background. This apple tree has 12 varieties on it, and I get about 6 months worth of picking. Now I've got a very small block of land, it's only 500 square metres, and of that we only use about 120 square metres. And I've got 5 apple trees, and in those 5 apple trees I have 36 varieties of apple. So I'm going to show you and demonstrate how you can add some varieties to your own trees. And in fact I'm going to donate 2 trees, one each day, to be raffled, and the proceeds will go to kids with cancer. It's a wonderful initiative, and please get behind it. Come and see me. You'll be amazed by how easy this is. I'll see you there. Bye for now.